The project, program title and period covered by the evaluation, the main project, program objectives and key working approaches, the background to the project program, including the political and socio-economic context, and summaries of previous reports or evaluations. Evaluation partners, a list and description of the key stakeholders within the evaluation. This could include the organization commissioning the evaluation, the main proposed users of the evaluation, and key stakeholders expected to be involved in the evaluation. The purpose and objectives of the evaluation, the main purpose of the evaluation along with any secondary purposes. This section should also include the key evaluation questions to be answered through the evaluation, and the information that will be needed to answer them. Methodology. If the methodology is defined before the evaluation team is in place, then the TOR should include a description of the data collection and analysis methods to be used. Otherwise, it should specify who should define the methodology, the organization commissioning the evaluation team, or the project. Stakeholders. Other issues to cover include how different stakeholders will be involved in data collection, analysis, and use, and key limitations, time, budgets, politics, that might affect the usefulness of the evaluation. Conduct of the evaluation, an outline of the key personnel required within the evaluation team, and their roles and areas of expertise. This includes any key qualifications and/or experiences required, especially for the team leader or any technical advisors. Schedules, dates and schedules for procuring, selecting or forming the evaluation team, and dates, duration and logistics for each evaluation event. This might include briefing, debriefing sessions, travel, fieldwork, submission of final reports and presentations, or any other relevant activity. Expected outputs, the products, including the final report, which will result from the evaluation. Expected outputs might also include details of how data and results will be recorded, and how feedback will be provided to partners and beneficiaries. This section might also cover the format of the final report required, and should clarify the scope of any required recommendations. In other words, it should specify which groups will be expected to act on any recommendations. Documents, a list of key documents that should be reviewed as part of the evaluation. Management of the evaluation, the person or people responsible for commissioning and approving the work, or resolving issues as they arise. This section should also outline the person or people responsible for practical arrangements, e.g., travel, accommodation. Review of the evaluation, clarification of who will provide feedback on how the evaluation process went, and when they will provide this feedback. This section should also include details of who will review and comment on the report, and who will provide quality assurance. Annexes. A TOR might also contain annexes containing more detailed information. This could include some of the following: a logical framework or equivalent planning tool for the project or program, a detailed budget for the evaluation, broken down according to different criteria, a person specification for different team members, a specification and breakdown of the working days required from different evaluation team members, a timeline for the evaluation outlining detailed activities to be carried out. Sarvadhikar Copyright INTRAC 2017. There are many different documents available that contain evaluation guidelines. INTRAC usually uses the version produced by the UK Evaluation Society, UKES 2013. This is freely available from the internet at https://www.evaluation.org.uk/guidelines-. New edition. The Better Evaluation website, www.betterevaluation.org, contains the largest set of resources in the world covering evaluation. The site offers step-by-step guidance for those managing or implementing evaluations. Experienced evaluators or those with an interest in evaluation are recommended to go to that site and search through the different materials. The Better Evaluation site also contains an online tool to help generate terms of reference. This can be accessed through the